Africa Content TV.
Anomo wa o, alachi anomo wa o.
Ṣègùn jẹ́wọ́ lọ́fà ni.
Ó jẹ́wọ́ anomo.
Bàbá ẹ̀rọ lásán.
Anomo wa o.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Lagos State, ably represented here by the SA Transport, our own Speaker, Honorable Speaker, Lagos State House of Assembly, Alhaji Mudashir Tafa, essay to Mr. President on transport. His Royal Highness, Tafa of Lagos, ably represented here, our own, the local government chairman, the Chief Oloto of Oto, Abi Ọba Kábíyèsí Oloto of Oto. Members of the National Assembly here, the representative of the ST, the State Chairman, Lagos State Council of the Union, and all his team, invited guests, our mother, the family of the late chairman of the Union in Lagos State, members of our great union, ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome to this very important and great occasion in the history of the National Union of Road Transport Workers. Today, I would like to commend the Lagos State Chairman, Alhaji Mustafa Sego, for this wonderful initiative. We appreciate you, and I will call on all the entire member states, branches in the whole federation to emulate this type of gesture and this initiative. Because today we are here. This park belongs to the union permanently, and this is how it is supposed to happen. We're supposed to have our parks owned by us so that we can be able to control the parks. So I would like to use this opportunity to thank you very much and thank the Lagos State government for the support and all the well-meaning people in Lagos State. If you see the outing here, you see that the Lagos State government and all the politicians in Lagos State are here to support this good initiative. And this is how we want it to continue, and we appreciate you, and you should keep it up, and your team. And now, I would like, because of the press, I will go back to Yoruba so that I want my members here in Lagos and the leadership here of the Lagos State government, the governor is here, the speaker is here, everybody is here today. Oki Oboa, Asheye, àti àjọyọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀ni. Wọ́n á fi àsìkò ẹ̀mọ́ tó fi kí Alhaji Mustafa Sego fún ìrònú rẹ̀ àti plan láti rí wípé ó yẹ kí a ní ìpáàkì ó tún wá lọ ní ìpáàkì lórúkọ aṣíwájú wa bàbá wa His Excellency Alhaji Ahmed Bola Tinubu, which ní gbogbo Nigeria, this is the first time we have such an initiative. Ẹ̀rọ pé máa pàtẹ́ fún Adékúnlé Sego àti tìmọ̀. So mo á fi ìjọba lọ́wọ́ lórí ìjókòó yìí. Mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀bẹ̀ kan gbogbo ẹ̀ mẹ́mbà National Union tá a wà níbí bá ilé ni. Tí a bá fojú wo láti ọdún tá a ti ń bọ̀ lásìkò yìí Lagos State produced the president of the National Union of Road Transport Workers. Lagos State produced the president of the National Union of Road Transport Workers. And if a president in National Union Lawayi, this is his own constituency. Tí a bá fojú wo wọ́n ṣe parí touring all the zonal councils of the federation. A lè rí bí wọ́n ṣe pàdé rẹ̀ ní Gombe, bí wọ́n ṣe pàdé rẹ̀ ní Sokoto, bí wọ́n ṣe pàdé rẹ̀ ní gbogbo ibikíbi tó lọ. This is his house. Mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò ìrọ̀ yìí. There is no permanent friend, no permanent enemy in the Labour movement. No permanent friend, no permanent enemy in the Labour movement. Whatever that might happen, I want all the members, the leadership in Lagos State to embrace Musiliu Akisaya, who is the president of this union today, because everybody has to live his legacy. I served this organization for many years. I lived a legacy. Tajuddin Badiru served under me when I was the president. Today, Tajuddin Badiru lived a legacy by building that edifice, that secretariat here, which there is no any state council that has such secretariat in Nigeria. It's a legacy. And if they are saying, we'll be saying, Badiru served under me, and it is during my tenure that I better build that secretariat. Today, all what Sego is doing is writing his legacy on the wall. He cannot be here permanently, but what the legacy he left is going to speak for him. Whatever happens here, all what we are seeing today is a legacy that will be credited on Alhaji Mustafa Adekunle Sego. And under who? Under Musiliu Akisaya. I don't know. Because it is during his term as the president of the union, this thing is happening. Everybody's name will be written down on what he did for the organization. I would like to appeal to all of you here, appeal to everybody here. The state government is here, the speaker is here, everybody is here. After this program, I want a total peace reconciliation team to happen. We should not throw away our son. Our son is the president of this union today. If we can receive him in Sokoto, if we can receive him in Kaduna, if we can receive him in Gombe, why should we not receive him here in Lagos? So this is my message to everybody. By the time I have Sego have a line-up activities, he have a line-up program, he have a good intention, he have a good vision for the organization. By the next time we are coming for another project, I want to see Musiliu again as the president of the union on the table. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you. God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, our one and only Sheyi Tinubu.